Welcome to Virology Research Services, where we decode science and provide innovative solutions. Today, we're talking about a virus whose very name sends chills down our spine: rabies. This bullet-shaped virus has terrorized humans for thousands of years, featured in literature, movies, and our darkest nightmares. Let's start with what makes rabies unique. It's one of the deadliest viruses known to science, with a near 100% fatality rate once symptoms appear. But how does it kill? The journey begins with a bite. The virus enters through broken skin, typically from an infected animal's saliva. The virus's sinister genius lies in its transmission strategy. By making infected animals aggressive and increasing saliva production, it ensures its spread to new hosts through biting. It's a deadly efficient cycle of infection. But unlike other viruses that spread through blood, rabies is a master of neural highways. It travels through nerve cells, slowly but steadily making its way to the brain at about 1 to 2 centimeters per day. During this silent phase, which can last weeks or even months, the victim shows no symptoms. This is why immediate vaccination after a suspicious bite is crucial. Once symptoms appear, it's usually too late. As the virus reaches the brain, it begins its deadly transformation of the host. The first signs might seem mild: fever, headache, general weakness. But then come the characteristic symptoms that have inspired countless horror stories: aggressive behavior, confusion, hallucinations, and the infamous hydrophobia, an intense, irrational fear of water. The rabies virus attacks the brain's hypothalamus, causing intense spasms in throat muscles when attempting to swallow. This creates painful muscle contractions and an involuntary fear response to liquids, despite severe thirst. The term hydrophobia comes from this characteristic symptom, where even the sight or sound of water can trigger panic and spasms. Rabies is one of the oldest recorded diseases, dating back to at least 2300 BC in ancient Mesopotamian texts. The Greeks and Romans wrote about its terrifying effects, and the first vaccine was only developed in 1885 by Louis Pasteur, a breakthrough that saved a young boy's life. So, modern medicine has given us effective vaccines, both for prevention and post-exposure treatment. But here's the shocking reality: rabies still kills over 59,000 people annually, mainly in developing regions where access to these life-saving vaccines is limited. Most victims are children under 15, often bitten by stray dogs. And while dogs are the primary culprits in many countries, in North America, bats are now the most common source of rabies transmission to humans. A single, unnoticed bat bite or scratch can be deadly. Today, scientists continue studying this ancient killer, hoping to unlock its secrets and develop better treatments. Until then, rabies remains a stark reminder of the deadly power packed into a microscopic virus.